Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a hair install video from some hair that I ordered off of Amazon. But first things first, we're going to get into the edges using our Canny Coil Care. I like this a lot because you don't have to tie up your hair. You just literally put it on, rub it till it's dry, and go. So. See, it's kind of slick, so I don't really care how my hair looks underneath. Just for the purposes of the video, I just want to show you. Just fix my ponytail real quick. I'll probably, I'm trying to think about if I should throw on like a little cap just to lay this down, or just leave it just to show you. I don't know. All right, so my edges are laid good enough. So today we're reviewing Benafee hair off Amazon. I got an 18-inch 4 with 27 highlight. Open this up. This is a headband wig. Comes, all right, I'm sharpening everything. Comes with a cap. I might just slap that on, I don't know. 3 extra headbands for accessories. And the wig itself. Okay, let's slap this bad boy in. So the hair comes attached to this headband already. See, it's already on there. And you can just secure it with the back with the Velcro. It has the combs inside. See if I can get this thing on. Gosh, this is tight. Secure this down. Oh. So, slap this mug on, secure. Slide it back a little bit. Or I don't want that much baby hair showing, but enough to make it look, you know. And I'll probably like go back in later and swoop this, maybe take care of that. Literally, that took me 2 seconds, literally 2 seconds to throw it on. And I'm literally ready for the day. Brush it. And you can go ahead and just keep this black one on. I feel like the black will go with everything, but again, they did send 3 headbands. So I'll go for this one. Soft, it's big. I like that it's like thick enough to cover up the band. I guess I'll go ahead and throw this one and see. Super stretchy. back some more. And this is it. Turn around and show you the back. Hope you can see that. So I have my curler on. I'll probably throw some curls in it. I feel like this type of hair would be really cute if it was curled. I honestly really like it. It's soft. The color is giving me summer vibes though, so I don't know. I like how quick and easy it was. It literally took me 3 seconds. Like, gel my edges back, throw on a headband, and go. I can also, I wanted to show you like different ways I can wear it. I can kind of wear it back how I had it, or kind of like brush it all up. Maybe I'll go ahead and curl my hair and then come back and show you the different styles you could do with it. So I have my old school curling iron. I love this thing. I know wands are the new thing, but I got this in cosmetology school and I love it. Seriously, this is super old school, dude, but it's my favorite. So let's see how well this holds a curl. That's what I really want to know. Okay, yes. All right, so this is the hair all curled. Of course, I'm not gonna keep them like this. I'm gonna kind of loosen them up a little bit, run my fingers through it. This hair holds a curl really well. Like, I just went through it one time. Usually I go through it twice. No hairspray. And it held really good. I like it. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. Let's see if I can get closer so you can kind of see the hair colors. Super cute, I really like it. So yeah, like that. You can definitely do different styles with it. Okay, let me go grab another ponytail. So yeah, you could even like, just have it like different ways. See if I can do a half up, half down look without messing it up. So you could do the half up, half down like this. I like it. I think I'm sold on this hair. I think this would be a really super cute bomb summer wig. For winter, I don't know so much. I don't know. But for summer, yes. I hope you guys liked my video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Bye.